That's a great question. And honestly, it hurts when you get a negative review. This is a business that you've built from the ground up. You put your blood, sweat, tears, and time away from family and friends into building this business. It's your baby. And if someone leaves you a negative review, it's like calling your baby ugly. Now, sadly, there's no way that you can delete negative reviews. You can't just go on, wave a magic wand, or press a couple buttons. There's no keyboard shortcut to delete those reviews. Here are 2 things you can do when you receive a negative review. Number 1, reply to it. And I have 4 P's for you that I'll go through really quickly. We mentioned this in another video. Number 1, be positive. Be smiling when you write that response. You want to imagine that all your customers are watching you as you write this response, because people are going to be reading the response to that negative review to see how you conduct your business. Number 2, be professional. Check your grammar and spelling. Number 3, be prompt. Write a response to the review within 1 to 2 business days. Try to get it as soon as possible. Show that you're on top of your stuff. You're on top of your business. And finally, the 4th P of review response, pick up the phone. If you have the customer's phone number, pick up your phone and call them, and be positive and be professional. But ask how you can resolve the dispute. If you can resolve it offline and ask the customer to revise the review, even better. So those are the 4 Ps. Number 2, you cannot delete reviews, as I told you. Just can't. Can't do it. Can't do it. Number 2, what you're going to do is grow more positive reviews. Bury that negative review. If you get more positive reviews, what you're going to see is your aggregate score is going to go up. And because reviews are shown temporaneously, meaning by time, then that negative review is going to be buried over time. That's what you want to do. Listen, 1 out of every 10 or 20 or 30 people aren't going to be satisfied. They're not going to be happy. But it's your job to get those other 20 or 30 reviews to bury that negative experience. So my friends, you cannot delete a negative review, but you can reply to those reviews quickly, promptly, professionally, positively, or pick up the phone, and you can get more positive reviews to bury those negative reviews. Hope this helps. Here's to your success. Hey, thanks so much for watching the video. Listen, if you enjoyed it, please click like below. If you have feedback, questions, or you disagree or want to add something, write it in the comments below. And finally, if it's not too much to ask, please subscribe and click that bell. Each time we come out with a new video to add value to your business, you'll be notified via email. Until then, here's to your success.